A new year means a new set of laws go into effect, and this week some lawmakers are speaking about what did not get done. Fox 43's Marcia Keeley highlights some of the changes that are taking effect in Pennsylvania and the challenges ahead in Harrisburg.
With the turn of the calendar, new laws are going into effect in Pennsylvania, many of them related to health care. State lawmakers expanded insurance coverage for biomarker testing, improving access to the revolutionary process often used to tailor cancer treatment to a patient's needs. Pennsylvanians on Medicaid will now receive that coverage and more access to doulas. The childbirth support professionals can now enroll as Medicaid providers. The state's first responders will now be eligible for worker compensation for PTSD under a new law, while Pennsylvania's safe haven law gives parents a legal way to give up a newborn, allowing them to give unharmed babies to any hospital, EMS station, or police station. The child will be examined by a doctor and later turned over to children and youth agencies. More than 1,300 state officials will now be making more in 2025. All state lawmakers, state Supreme Court justices, and statewide leaders like Attorney General and Treasurer are receiving a 3.4% pay increase this year. Governor Josh Shapiro is also receiving a pay bump, now making $246,000 per year, the second highest rate of any governor in the nation. He's still out-earned by the state Supreme Court, as Chief Justice Deborah Todd's salary increases to $270,000, and the 6 other justices hit the $262,000 mark. While state leaders get a payday, many Pennsylvanians will not. Pennsylvania's minimum wage will not increase in 2025, even as neighboring states New Jersey and Delaware raise their minimums to more than $15 an hour. Pennsylvania Democrats are pushing for change this week.
It is time for us to make sure that when they do hard work, they get a fair wage, not $7.25, but the at least $15, which I believe we've been talking about for close on 2 decades now.
But with pushback from Republicans who remain focused on lowering energy costs, the political divide in Harrisburg may prevent any action.
I think we should resign ourselves to the fact that we are in a period of intense partisan divisions.
The state Senate remained in Republican control in November as Democrats retained their margin in the opposite chamber.
We went into this election with the 102, 101 Democratic majority in the state house, and that's how we come out of this election.
It sets up another contentious year in the state capitol in 2025. Marshall Keeley, Fox 43 News.